Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So after a long time, Theta will take a very huge jump, and you can see at this time all crypto market is very badly dumps down, but Theta is one of the unique coin to they just only give you a profit, my friend, and the current condition is going to be very good now. So this is alert news for all of you, my brothers, to after a very long time, Theta Network, one of the unique coin, to they take a very huge jump now. In the last 7 days, this coin is also moving upward, and you can see here the last 24 hour also moving upward. Don't see this last 1 hour change occur because this is a short phase. I hope in the next hour they will give you a positive change occur now. So therefore I tell you, my brothers, to don't see the short fails. I hope they will give you very good profit now. So my brother, if we check out the chart results, so this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to in upcoming time there is more chances that they will give you a profit, but definitely this time the current condition is going to be very bad now, so you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, they will make you millionaire now. So thanks for watching Theta Network holder. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. And my prediction, my brother, my prediction is also going to be positive because I am 100% sure. I already 10 times, my brother, I predicted this coin because a lot of experts tell what and I, my friends, I also need, my friend, opinion to someone give me. But my friends, you also share your opinion in the comment box. So therefore thank you so much everyone who watching MVS Tech channel. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.